So we have the client, which is us and our browser. And with that client, we're going to be trying to log in. And our login is going to be, well, we're just querying the database to see if our username and password are saved in the database. Now, if our database says no, there's no one such as this within the database, then we're going to get an error. So it's not going to do anything. However, if our credentials are correct, what we're going to be doing is going to say, all right, our server is going to generate this JWT. And for those who don't know what JWT means, it's JSON Web Token. So this token contains user information and permissions. It's not necessarily sensitive it's usually just like username and minor things like that. You don't want to store very sensitive information in there, because JWT token is not necessarily, it doesn't encrypt things. It kind of just encapsulates it and serializes it. Like I was saying, the server generates this JWT token. So afterwards, this token is sent to the client and it's saved as a cookie within the browser. So the browser holds onto this cookie, and this is basically how the browser knows if this person has logged in before, if it should save that person's information. So that's what a cookie basically does. It's saved with it's browser facing, so it's saved within the client, and these are the steps that you take to authenticate and authorize your personnel. So the authentication takes place when you go from client to login. So if I can go client login database and it says yes, I am authenticated. So that means yes, my password and credentials worked. I can move on to the next step. Step 1 complete. Now the authorization takes place with the JWT token all the way to the cookie. If this person doesn't have this cookie or this token, within this cookie, the information that's within it, you're not authorized to see certain things.